Gary Agnew, and I'm the CEO and co-founder at Ideon Technologies. At Ideon, we're using the energy from supernova explosions in space to image up to 1 kilometer into the Earth. We're originally a spin-out from TRIUMPH, Canada's National Particle Physics Laboratory, and the home of the world's largest cyclotron, here in Vancouver. Our team has developed a discovery platform that helps our customers see density anomalies inside the Earth's surface to help them precision target minerals and metals, air voids, caves, and other such structures. Our vision is transforming subsurface discovery, and our mission is to accelerate the world's transition to low-impact mining. Over the last 40,000 years, the human race has scoured the surface of the Earth looking for minerals and metals to help us survive and thrive as a society. The problem today is most of the near-surface deposits have already been discovered, and that's forcing the mining industry to go deeper to search for minerals and metals in much more difficult to reach places. So this industry uses a technique called drilling, 150-year-old technology, basically drilling holes into the Earth, a hit-and-miss approach. It's like a needle in a haystack trying to find the minerals we need to thrive and survive. In terms of performance, this industry in the last decade, discoveries are down 75%, the cost per discovery is up 400%, and overall this industry has spent $200 billion and only found 109 billion of economic deposits. That's a minus 45% ROI. That's bad for business, and it's bad for the planet. So in terms of our solution, our core technology is called cosmic ray muon tomography. And as I mentioned, we're integrating advanced sensors, joint inversions, and artificial intelligence to give our customers visibility into the Earth. The best analogy I can give you for our technology is medical imaging. Over 100 years ago, the X-ray was first introduced and had a transformative impact on the way the medical profession identified anomalies in the human body. It then took until 1972 until that 2D X-ray capability was upgraded to 3D imaging, commonly known as a CAT scan, or computer-aided tomography scan of the human body. And if I take that medical imaging analogy one further step, medical imaging was the enabling technology that paved the way for keyhole surgery in the human body. And we see the same potential for our technology in a number of applications in mining. So we're very excited about that opportunity. In terms of Ideon, we have been blessed by being part of this Canadian innovation ecosystem over the last decade, and there are too many organizations for us to mention here today. But the Digital Supercluster has without question become one of the most important partners that we've worked with, really enabling us to take on a very bold, ambitious vision. We are leading a $13.5 million project with the partners that you see, some of the leading mining companies, leading technology companies, and some of the best innovators in Canada are in our consortium. And really, I'd never considered using a consortium to achieve our vision. It was the Digital Supercluster that challenged me and challenged us to be bolder, to think bigger, and be more ambitious, and most of all, to focus on doing it together. Because we can achieve with this team more than any of us can achieve individually. And in fact, we're developing 4 years of innovation, and we're delivering that in 24 months. And so really creating an acceleration, because the world needs this technology, and the world needs it right now, because the whole energy transition is dependent on critical minerals. And if we don't find and be able to extract the critical minerals in a sustainable way, there's a risk the whole energy transition stalls. So we think that's an exciting opportunity to be working on. In terms of the impact we're having, we are developing net new intellectual property today that will help the efficient and sustainable management of one of our key natural resources for years to come. We're working with industry. We're breaking down the traditional silos from academic research to commercialization in the industry, and our partners are doing a tremendous job of helping us do just that. We're working in northern communities and we're giving first access to indigenous peoples. We're educating and creating awareness of the technology and how we can, with the technology, we can have a true respect for the land. And in terms of jobs, Ideon has doubled its team in the last 6 months, and we plan to double again in the next 6 to 12 months. So an immediate economic impact of the investment for the supercluster to help our consortium really scale up and grab hold of this huge opportunity and advantage. And finally, we see an opportunity for this to be a technology that reaches the global market. We have tremendous market traction, and our partners and other industry players are very excited about what we're bringing to market. Finally, it's not just about the partners and the direct customers working with. This is a cause that matters for all of humanity. And so we're very proud to be leading the charge with our partners, the digital supercluster, industry, academic, and other partners to bring this vision to life. And why does that matter? Why do you care? Because in the end, there is no energy transition without mining. Thank you very much. I'm now going to pass over to Jay at Lamazoo. Thank you.